Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been testing out the ASUS ROG Strix G18 18-inch gaming laptop for a couple of weeks now, and as an enthusiast who demands absolute top-tier hardware for competitive gaming, rendering, and complex machine learning workloads, I feel ready to share a comprehensive, deep dive look into how this machine performs in the real world. When dealing with an 18-inch laptop, you are looking at a machine that is explicitly designed to be a complete desktop replacement, trading away extreme ultra-portable thinness in exchange for raw, unthrottled computing power and a cinematic screen experience. ASUS has thrown their absolute best engineering at this chassis, and after subjecting it to some of the most punishing modern software pipelines available, I can confidently say it sets a spectacular benchmark for desktop replacements. The defining characteristic of this laptop when you open the lid is undoubtedly the massive 18-inch Nebula display panel. Moving up to an 18-inch form factor from a traditional 15 or 16-inch screen completely changes how you interact with your digital workspace and games. The screen estate is absolutely massive, and it operates at a stunning 2.5K resolution. This resolution strikes the ultimate sweet spot for a screen of this physical size, providing incredibly sharp text and intricate pixel density without absolutely crippling your graphical frame rates the way a native 4K screen would. The visual performance is buttery smooth thanks to the blistering fast 240 Hz refresh rate and a 3 millisecond overdrive response time. In high-speed, competitive multiplayer first-person shooters where a fraction of a second determines whether you win a duel, the absolute lack of motion blur or ghosting gives you an undeniable competitive edge. Colors are remarkably vibrant and deep, making it just as excellent for professional color grading and cinematic video consumption as it is for intense gaming sessions. Driving this incredible visual experience is a breathtaking hardware combination beneath the keyboard deck. It starts with the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor, an absolute monster of a chip featuring 24 independent computing cores and 24 threads. The dedicated performance cores can hit a maximum turbo frequency of 5.4 GHz, while the high-efficiency cores handle background workloads at up to 4.6 GHz. In everyday terms, this means the laptop treats heavy multi-threaded tasks, file compression, and video rendering like absolute child's play. Because this is a next-generation Core Ultra architecture, it includes the integrated Intel AI Boost neural processing unit, giving you up to 13 TOPS of dedicated artificial intelligence computing power. This allows you to offload tasks like system noise cancellation, live streaming background removal, and voice processing directly to the NPU, saving your main processor cores for pure gaming performance. For graphics, ASUS has outfitted this model with a next-generation NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop graphics processing unit. Built on the revolutionary Blackwell architecture and packed with 8 GB of lightning-fast GDDR7 high-speed video memory, this card completely redefines what a mid-range laptop graphics card can accomplish. Running demanding modern titles with full ray tracing enabled is a joy, especially when you leverage the power of DLSS for neural rendering. The updated frame generation and ray reconstruction technologies boost frame rates significantly, rendering ultra-realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections at speeds that used to require a massive desktop tower. Supporting these powerhouse processors is a highly generous memory and storage configuration. It comes packed with 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 system RAM, which provides a massive buffer for heavy multitasking, allowing you to run a game, a streaming software suite, a web browser with dozens of open tabs, and Discord all at the exact same time without a hint of system degradation. Storage is handled by a massive 2 TB high-speed solid-state drive, ensuring your operating system boots up in just a few seconds and eliminating tedious loading screens in modern, open-world games. The laptop ships with Windows 11 Pro, providing robust corporate security features and advanced management tools alongside Microsoft Copilot AI, which acts as a fantastic digital assistant for streamlining workflows and troubleshooting code. It even comes with a lifetime license for Microsoft Office, saving you from annoying recurring subscription fees down the line. To keep you connected to modern networks, it includes cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology for near-zero latency wireless connections, alongside incredibly convenient fast charging support that juices up the massive internal battery in a pinch. While the cooling fans can definitely sound like a jet engine when running the hardware at maximum performance modes, the premium intelligent cooling design keeps thermal throttling completely at bay. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a masterclass in desktop replacement engineering, delivering unrivaled performance, a breathtaking display, and complete future-proof versatility.